And welcome to Tvaritam.AI. In this video, we will understand how we can implement a linear regression algorithm in our platform. Now, once we are completed with all the data pre-processing steps, we go to the model architecture selection and we select linear/logistic regression. Once I select the problem type as regression, it will automatically decide to go with linear regression. If you go for classification, then it will automatically go with logistic regression. So in this case, we go with linear regression. I click on apply. It runs the data validation and now we can do sampling. So I will go with a random sampling and a 70-15-15 split. While my data set is not too big, so I can go with full batch training batch size. If you want to know more about data splitting or the specific hyperparameters in linear regression, you can go through the user guide and you can also go through the videos on the same. There would be a separate video for sampling and there would be a different video on how linear regression works. You can also refer to the info section in each tab if you want to get a quick reference. So now for loss function, I will go with mean squared error. This time I will not apply regularization, but you can decide for L2, L1, whatever you want. And you can give values or comma separated values. If you select and you don't want to apply, you can also write 0 here, but you can also give comma separated values like this if you want. Now this time I'll write 0 because I don't want to regularize right now. With gradient descent, I will choose my learning rate and this time I'll decide 0.003. So you can try with different learning rates. You can also experiment with multiple comma separated values and see what values are giving you better results, and then you can again come back and reiterate for better results. For exponential decay, this time I'll go with 0.999 as my exponential decay. This also is optional. You can decide not to use it and see if you are getting better results or if you are getting better results when you use it. Now moving forward, for our convergence, I will have the iteration count. So I will limit the maximum number of possible iterations to 10,000 and I will additionally use early stopping. So if we are not improving on the validation loss for 100 epochs, then we'll stop the training process. Here I will decide to see both training and cross validation losses and I will also write 100 as my frequency. When I click on start training, it will run an internal data validation and the training process will start. And in the log section, we can see how the training process is moving forward. So for every 100 epochs, that is what we have decided in the frequency, we see the training loss and the CV data loss. And this keeps on decreasing, and once it stops decreasing for a certain amount of epoch, because we have used early stopping, the training process will stop and this would be the training loss and the CV loss that we get. So this is about how you can implement linear regression. You can also download the accuracy report in case you do use comma separated values for multiple hyperparameters and you train multiple models. You can download the report, save as CSV to see what were the results. Additionally, you can download the model description report that keeps all the pre-processing steps. In case you want to repeat those steps, you have the PDF of everything that you have done, and you can also save the model and use it for prediction at another stage. So if you want to know a little bit more about this also, you can refer to the YouTube video and understand how you can save and import the model to make predictions. Thank you.